Hello guys, congratulating our 65 plus students who have cleared the Opra exam in their very first attempt. So this is March 2025 Opra exam, and this is the first batch giving Opra exam in this year, and we've got a massive success rate of 90%. Yes, 65 plus students have cleared their Opra exam. A lot of people are asking us our stats, so just releasing our stats. Well, it is a practice of elite expertise to display the official Australian Pharmacy Council certificates in our website to show you that we are genuinely showcasing a result, because often people fake the result. So our success is a proof, but for people who need a proof, here are the genuine APC certificates displayed of our 65 plus candidates. We're still counting, and congratulations to all our students for making us proud, and thank you so much. We've concealed some MRNs of the certificates and we are showcasing it in this video. So whenever I get a phone call saying, hey, is your result really genuine, then this is the answer for you. Okay, hope I have answered your question. Thank you for making us proud. From your proud teacher, Harika. Bye.